Hello, lovely artists! Today, we're diving into a super easy and super fun drawing project. Get ready to draw some delicious toffees. Start by drawing a circle or an oval shape. Now, on the top and bottom of this circle, draw a cute curve pattern. Inside the round shape, draw some wavy lines. You can even draw 2 toffees if you're feeling extra sweet. Now, let's bring these toffees to life with color. Pick your absolute favorite colors, any color you like. Make them as vibrant and yummy as you want. And just like that, you've created some adorable toffees. How awesome is that? You did an incredible job. Thank you for joining in on this delightful drawing adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting drawing tutorials.